The anticipation, the excitement, that feeling of joy, escape, and relaxation, making memories and experiencing what the world has to offer. People love to travel. It allows us to break away from the day-to-day routine and to enjoy life. It's what makes travel an $8 trillion industry that continues to grow. The reality is, most people are programmed to taking one good vacation a year and dream of traveling more when they're retired. Well, if money weren't an issue, where would you go? If time wasn't an issue, would you travel more often? With Paycation Travel, you can enjoy a life of travel now and even get paid for it by turning your vacations into paycations. It starts with the largest industry in the world, travel. More and more people are traveling. The industry continues to grow with more cruise ships sailing, more hotels and resorts being built, and more of us getting out and seeing the world. Cruises alone have experienced double-digit growth for decades with no end in sight. If you're simply looking to travel more and at insider pricing, Paycation is the place for you. As a preferred customer, you will have access to great deals on cruises, condos, international flights, all-inclusive resorts with all the most exclusive travel brands. With Paycation, you can travel the world at amazing prices. Beyond the great travel deals, Paycation has much more to offer. Most people today dream of three things. First, to be financially secure. Second, to have a career or business they love. And thirdly, to travel and enjoy an above-average lifestyle. These three dreams can be achieved together or independently, yet many people today find themselves financially overextended and stuck in a job they hate. Most people live the American nightmare rather than the American dream. Paycation Travel provides an opportunity to build a company within a company and achieve financial independence. We offer people the chance to attain those seemingly impossible dreams of owning your own business and taking control of your financial destiny. However, the most valuable benefit from a Paycation business is freedom. Freedom to be your own boss, work your own schedule, prioritize your quality of life, and live the true American dream. By becoming a Paycation travel consultant, you have the opportunity to go into business for yourself without all the risks of going at it alone. Since Paycation Travel is the marketing arm of a 10-year-old rock-solid company, Traveras Travel, you get the best travel training in the industry. And as a travel consultant, you receive all the insider pricing plus receive your own travel website. A professional, fully up and running site with the exact same ability to book deals on travel and flights that commercial travel agents and sites like Expedia have. Only now, you receive the commissions, not the big boys. Simply share your website with your friends and family and ask that they book their travel through you. When they do, you get paid. As more people see your success and the exotic locations stamped across your passport, the more curious they are about how you're doing it. The next step is obvious. Share the opportunity with them. With the Paycation opportunity, there are 20 different ways to earn. The more you share it, the more you will earn. Paycation has been around a long time. It's run by successful people who love travel and love to see others succeed. It's a business for anyone. Start fast or start slow, full-time or part-time. It's the same for everyone who joins. Low risk and the potential for high payout. Paycation is the first company to introduce crossover marketing, and it's created by the synergy between Paycation and extreme travel, combining the power of networking and traditional business. Paycation knows travel and will help train you on how to build a travel business. It's what sets us apart. No experience is necessary. Just a good attitude and a love of travel and fun, and you're on your way. There has never been a better time to get out and see the world while getting paid for it with Paycation Travel.